Yeah, I think that is PTO. No, that might be MAD, but the button got replaced with PTO. Or PTO, but the button got replaced with MAD. Used to be Westinghouse.
Going up.
ECC.
Yeah, PTO buttons. I like that indicator.
It says ECC on it. That's funny. DL20. That's funny. Pretty quick.
The fact that the elevator brands itself too.
I like that.
6th floor.
Should get a picture of those.
Going down.
Whoa, these are funky. Those push weird. The door closed. Feel that.
I'm gonna get a picture of that and move in your way. It'll have to be like the elevator doesn't go to the restaurant. You don't walk over to it. Alright, man, my head is really killing me.
Yeah, we gotta head home after this.
Yeah.
1st floor.
Funky.
Just repeats over and over and over again. 4th floor.
That will be.
Check it out. How's it going?
Yep.
Check out that little restaurant.
You're good.